This one here is Troop. What's up, Troop? He don't got the ticking in his back. He got the one little spot. Move, Weedy. You are not coming out of there. Move, girl. Move. Move. I'll take you for a walk in a minute. Hold on. I'll get you out of there and walk you. She's tired of being in there with them pups. Weedy, move. Move. Bitch, move. That's Troop right there. That's Clock with the little small piece of pigmentation on his nose. I think that's him right there. It is. That's Clock. That one with all that ticking. If that's a male, that's Block. And this one right here, that's Truck. That's a little Truck right there. But that's Clock right there, that big one. That's Clock and that's Troop. And the smaller female is Rage. The bigger one is Polly. They're about 4 weeks old. They made 4 weeks yesterday, as a matter of fact. Clock and Troop, right up front. But I'm finna go dog walking. So I gotta get out of this kennel and get back to what I'm doing. I'm about to go dog walking. Four weeks yesterday. They was born on the 9th, July 9th.